Everything I do is foreign, you know what I mean?
Hey, Brew and Feed here. I'm at Boss Dog Brewing Company in Cleveland Heights, Ohio to introduce 2 new combo packs. The first is the Americana BBQ Combo Pack. It has spice rubs inspired by Kansas City, St. Louis, the Deep South, and one called the American Style Dry Rub inspired by them all. The second combo pack is the Citrus Spice Blend Bundle. This combo pack has Smoky citrus salt, Hoppy citrus blend, citrus steak seasoning, and citrus ginger stir fry. Each of these unique blends are brimming with citrus flavors. Combo packs are discounted at 10% and are a great gift-giving idea. Pick yours up today at brewandfeed.com. Brew strong and feed well. Cheers.
Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I'm so foreign.